Good morning. Today we will learn about division. If you understand basic division, then it will be easy for you to do long division. What is division? Division means to divide something. Equal grouping of numbers. For example, 9 divided by 3. It means there are total 9 and you want to divide it in 3 equal groups. Like this. There are 3 groups. So the answer is 3. To understand the division, first of all we will learn about 3 main parts of division. The main part of the division is the number dividing up. This is the number dividing up. It is known as dividend. Mostly it is the biggest number. The number divided by. This is the number divided by. It is known as divisor. The third area is answer. This is the answer area. It is called quotient. Today we will do basic division. 42 divided by 6. 42 is dividend and 6 is divisor. Okay, we can say this question in this way. I have 42 cookies and I want to divide these 42 cookies in 6 kids. Read the table of 6. 7 times 6 is 42. There is no leftover. It means each kid will get 7 cookies and remainder is 0. Now read the table of 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So I will write here 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 16, 0. There is no leftover. 25 is dividend and 5 is divisor. Read the table of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. I get the 25. So I will write here 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 25, 0. Now read the table of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 minus 36, 0. Now 6 is divisor. 48 is dividend. Read the table of 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 minus 48, 0. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. I get the 14, so I will write here 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 14, 0. In all these questions, leftover is 0. Question is 28 divided by 5. 28 is dividend and 5 is divisor. As 28 is not multiple of 5, it means if I divide 28 into 5 equal groups, something would be leftover. In division, leftover is called remainder. Let's do this question. Read the table of 5. 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30. 30 is greater than 28. We can't write a number which is greater than 28. So what we will do? We will go one step backward. We can't write here 6 times 5 is 30. So we will write 5 times 5 is 25. Now divide 25 from 28. 3. 3 is remainder. In the same way, read the table of 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 is again greater than 19. We can't write a greater number here, so we will go one step back. What we will write? We will do 4 times 4 is 16. 19 minus 16, 3. 3 is the remainder. 7 times 3 is 28. We can't write here 8 times 3 is 24 because 24 is greater than 22. Now subtract 21 from 22. 1. 1 is remainder. Read the table of 4. 1 as 4 is not the multiple of 27. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24, 7 times 4 is 28. 28 is greater, so we will write 6 times 4 is 24. 27 minus 24, 3. 3 is the remainder. These are the questions in which we get leftover. Leftover means remainder. It means we cannot completely divide 28 into 5